How you pay your auto technicians might be the single biggest factor in your shop's profitability, culture, and turnover. Most shop owners are guessing. Hourly? Flat rate? Salary? Everyone has an opinion. Very few have the numbers. In this video, we're breaking down the real pros and cons of the 3 most common technician pay models, what actually works in real repair shops, and how shop owners use compensation as a financial tool, not just a payroll decision. By the end, you should know which direction makes sense for your shop and which mistakes to avoid. One thing that surprises a lot of shop owners is this. Technician pay is not just an HR decision. It's a financial strategy decision. At CSI Accounting Payroll, auto repair was actually our original specialty, and for nearly 60 years, we've worked with shop owners on pricing, payroll, margins, and yes, technician compensation. Because how you pay your techs directly affects labor margins, cash flow, pricing, and even your ability to scale. Let's start with hourly pay. Hourly is common in shops with inconsistent workflow or big swings in volume. Most techs earning hourly land somewhere between $25 and $40 per hour, depending on skill level and location. Hourly is simple. Your techs get paid for every hour they work. Payroll is predictable. It lines up well if you also bill customers by the hour. Staffing is flexible. When your work slows down, you can adjust schedules without changing pay structures. The downside is efficiency. When pay is tied to time instead of output, there's less incentive to move faster. Longer jobs can actually mean more pay. It also requires accurate time tracking. Without solid systems, labor costs can quietly creep up without you realizing it. Now let's talk about flat rate, which is the most common model in auto repair and also the most misunderstood. Flat rate does not mean paying a fixed amount per job. It means paying techs based on billable hours produced, not clock hours worked. This is the method we most often recommend when it's implemented correctly. If your shop has steady work, flat rate can be extremely effective. It rewards productivity. Techs who are efficient can bill more hours than they physically work. A tech might work a 40-hour week and bill 60 hours. That's good for them and good for the shop when pricing is set correctly. It also gives you a clearer picture of labor efficiency and technician performance. The risks, however, are real. Speed can sometimes come at the expense of quality if expectations aren't clear. When car count drops, techs feel it immediately. Reduced income due to low volume can create frustration even when it's outside their control. Flat rate also requires accurate estimating. If your labor times are off, both pay and profitability suffer. Salary is the least common option for technicians, but you'll occasionally see it for senior techs, shop foremen, or management roles. Salaries typically range anywhere from $50,000 to well over $100,000 depending on responsibilities. Salary provides stability. Your techs know exactly what they're earning. Your payroll costs are predictable. And for leadership roles, it can support long-term retention. The challenge is balance. Workloads fluctuate, but pay doesn't. That can lead to techs feeling overworked or owners feeling like they're paying for idle time. Like most salaried roles, incentive often needs to come from somewhere else because salary alone rarely drives performance. Here's the part most shop owners miss. There's no universally best pay model. The right answer depends on your pricing strategy, workflow consistency, car count, estimating accuracy, and financial reporting. That's why compensation decisions shouldn't be made in isolation. They should be made alongside your accountant, especially one who understands auto repair shops. At CSI, we don't just run payroll or close the books. As part of our monthly accounting service, shop owners get unlimited one-off advice, including compensation structure, pricing, and labor efficiency. That's how pay decisions stop being emotional guesses and start becoming data-driven strategies. If you want help figuring out which pay structure actually fits your shop, here's a good place to start. Take our Ideal Accounting Solution quiz. It helps you figure out what level of accounting service actually makes sense for your business based on how your shop runs today. You can also use our pricing calculator to get a realistic ballpark for what monthly accounting would cost for your shop before you ever talk to anyone. And if you want practical tools, we also have free downloadable resources for auto repair shops, including matrix pricing templates, all available on our website. The links are in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more real-world shop finance breakdowns like this.